3, 2, 1, go!
One year ago, I had my first project showcase at the Los Angeles Maker Faire, along with many other makers, engineers, artists, and scientists. Since then, I have made significant progress in a number of projects, including a complete rebuild of the go-kart called Green Lightning. Learning from last year, I retired some of the more obnoxious exhibits and came up with some new displays that teach concepts of physics and the engineering process. After getting a rental truck, I first loaded the go-karts because they're very heavy and awkward. Once that was finished, the rest of the exhibits were packed up as well. You can see one of our skeletons here. Wait, skeletons? That's right. As a way to protect both the guests and go-karts, the skeletons go in the seats to prevent people from climbing in. Both go-karts and the jet scooter, the trailer, some other displays up there. We are ready. It is really early in the morning. We're just about to leave for the Maker Faire. It's still night. Well before sunrise, we were on the road to Los Angeles, ready for this exciting event. Once at the event, we were able to offload the go-karts and set up rather quickly. Firestorm go-kart right here. Got the go-kart models. Some facts about them. Green Lightning, with its skeleton passengers, and the jet scooter out in front. Got all of our Dragon Wing jet fans, thrust pod, first turbojet, next generation turbojet, some cold gas rocket engines, a motor, a few different versions of the pyro flask, and a hovering display. It hovers. We have a TV, but right now we're working some power issues, so stay tuned. Once the power issues were fixed, guests started coming over and exploring the displays. Many kids were fascinated by the ducted fans getting blown back in the wind. Kids also enjoyed the ignition button on the turbine test stand, pushing the limits of my ignition coil. Many people enjoyed the go-karts, pushing all the buttons and activating all the features. I also walked around explaining the various parts and how things work to both regular guests and engineering experts. I thankfully got a break to walk around and explore some other booths. This is the Combat Robotics booth, where two 1-pound BattleBots are trying to flip each other over. There were also several classic and lowrider cars there, customized with lights and hydraulics. I also came across a homemade jet engine built out of a small turbocharger. It was neat to connect with other people who also experimented with homemade turbines. There were many other fun booths, but I headed back because I had my own booth to run. Back at my booth, I started running demonstrations of Green Lightning's thruster.
Countdown from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! That's good. That's good. Go. Thank you, guys.
The thruster demos were a big success. Everyone enjoyed getting blasted by the wind, and it brought many more guests to the booth. With how popular it was, I continued to do hourly demonstrations for the rest of the day. The hardest part was keeping the batteries from running out, with the thruster's extremely high power draw of 7,000 watts. Kids enjoyed standing in the blast, embracing the power of the hurricane-force winds, having fun the whole time.
Oh, I got blasted. There you go.
While the thrust demos were a periodic display, the project table was just as popular, with its interactive displays attracting the interests of many unique guests.
Understood.
Unfortunately, as the day went on, a couple of displays had problems. By now it was nearing closing time anyway, so we started packing up the booth. Even when packed up, the very last of the guests still had fun seeing the go-karts. We packed up and began the drive home. Coincidentally, on our way back, we got to see a SpaceX rocket launch right at dusk. It's going! Miko.
Miko.
We got Miko.
Second stage is ignited.
Second stage ignition. There we go. Second stage is lit. Exhaust is starting to expand in the upper atmosphere. After stopping to see the rocket launch, we got back on the road again. I can still see the knocked loosened exhaust trail out the window. Just got back of the truck. Still some pretty clouds in the sky. Back at the workshop, the go-karts were unloaded from the truck. Inspecting them for damage, Firestorm lost a side mirror, Green Lightning had some wires pulled, and the trailer had some scuffed paint. But even with this and all the other costs of such an event, I think it is all worth it to inspire the next generation of makers. Unloading. There it is. That's so cool. You can see the fairing reaction process is there.